This is the Game of Thrones Mega Construx minifigure dragon. I picked this up because I thought it'd make a cool little cryptid for my adventure team to hunt. The paint scheme on this guy is pretty cool. And there's a bunch of little minifigs that Mega Construx makes, and I think they're pretty cool. There's several different licensed ones like Alien and Predator and a bunch of others. I think they'd make great little cryptids. He has a great bit of range of movement. Head turns and swivels, and his neck also moves. He also has quite a bit of range of motion in his arms, elbows, and shoulders. And also his knees, hips, and his feet. He's very posable for a figure this small. His tail has a little bit of movement in one part. I kind of wish it had more movement, but that's okay. I think he's a great looking little figure. Make an interesting cryptid. You could pick these up for around $5 or $6. I think they're worth the money. Great little figures. He's constructed a lot like the other figures, even though he's a dragon, still has the same hip joint and leg joints as the minifigures. And these little portholes that you could plug things into. I'm not sure what would go into him. He's pretty cool. I like these little guys. Mega Construx is also compatible with most Legos. Well, that's all I have for you. Thanks for watching. Click that like button and share this video. I'd really appreciate it. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. Don't forget to collect, inspire, and create. See you in the next one.